to hit him with the snare and the bass, square in the face. This fucking world better prepare to get laced, because they're gonna taste my venom. I got that adrenaline in 'em, not knowing when I'm never gonna slow up.
Locking it just like that.
Land production.
I stay